This Gaughen Network Services Hauer and Associates property video is presented by Audrey Conrad, Realtor, SIRS, ASB, ES. Come retire with first floor bedrooms and full bath as well as a ramp to the rear of the property or bring the family. Second floor offers 2 bedrooms, if needed, or use space to store collected treasures. Kitchen/dining room has ample space for cooking, baking and enjoying time together. Get a breath of fresh air and take a break from everyday activities on covered front porch. Detached garage awaits room for vehicles, shop, craft jobs and more. Detached storage building has ramp for easy access in and out of unit. There is room for parking 2 vehicles to the rear of garage coming in off street. Make this property your home. Move in ready condition with appliances included. No need to move or purchase them as they are on site, in place and connected. For more information, review the details below or contact Audrey Conrad.